Did you know that we've just launched version 2.0 of AHADI app? Today I'm going to show you how you can use the app. I'm going to navigate through it with you, and if you have any questions or you are facing any problems, just comment on Google Play Store. You can comment in our Instagram, you can email us so that we can help you out if you're facing any technical problem with the app. Now let's get to it. So when you open the app, there you need to put in your personal information so that you log in or you sign up in AHADI app. You're in the dashboard now, just the place that I am right now. There's an option where it's a one-on-one session, so you can book the session. I've already shown you how you can book a session in the previous video in our page, so if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It will help you out in how you can book. And if you're facing any problems, as I said, please let us know. Email us, comment in the Google Play Store, Instagram, anywhere we are available. Just tell us and we can help you out. So there's that section for booking, and then just below it there's a wellness tool where you will be checking your mental state. So for example, the first place is work on myself, where you'll be given a quiz and then you will know the results. And then if you want to meditate, to breathe, you want to you're in maybe anxiety state of mind, so you can use this guide to help you out on how you can cool down. And then you will fill in the quizzes, and there's a progress where you will know how you're doing and everything. So it will help you out in knowing how you can deal with whatever you're passing through at that moment. And then meditate, it's the same thing. You're just doing the quizzes so that you know how you can reflect or you can get in touch with yourself. There is quotes and prompts and affirmations section where you will be getting very many changing of quotes, affirmations, and manifestations here. When we are out of the wellness tool, down below there's a helpline place. When you press it, you will be talking to AHADI AI, where you will choose if you want to talk to a professional, chat to AHADI, or speak to AHADI. If you say talk to a professional, they will take you to the therapist session where you will talk to a therapist. And if you say chat to AHADI, then you will be chatting with our chatbot. And then speak to AHADI is the AI, and therapy is the same session that I walked you through it in the previous video. And then there is a section for journaling. There is templates where you can choose if you do not know where to start with the journaling. You want to write gratitude journal, reflection, daily journaling. So it will help you get ideas on how you can write your journal. And then the blank page is where you know what you want to write. So you will write your title of the journal, whatever title you feel like, and then your thoughts on how you want to reflect that day. So below the journaling, there is a place where you audio, you video, and you take a photo. So if you feel like you can't write and you just want to rant, you can just audio yourself and it will save automatically, and then you can come and revisit it if you want to. And then there is a video section where you video yourself, and then there is a photo section where you take photos of whatever you feel like, and you can attach it. If you have taken it from outside the app, you can attach it from your galleries. The opposite side, there is community section. There is community group and support groups. You can join any of them and you learn a lot. So we're out of this helpline, therapy, journal, and community. Just below it, there's a place you speak to our AI, and then just use AI is the feature of talking to the AHADI AI. Then just beside it, there is a section for setting. You will set up your profile, and then just below it there's a section for if you want to sign up to join the therapist group in the AHADI app. So you can fill in the form and then we'll get back to you in a short period of time. So that's it about the app. If you need help, you literally just have to email us and let us know what you need, and we can help you out. And let us know what you think about the app in the Google Play Store. It will help us rate and reach more people out there. And comment down below if you're still here. Please don't forget to follow us on all our social medias as AHADI Mental Health. See you in the next one. Bye.